Hi friends! So to start off this collective haul, in front of me today, well tonight I guess, is Chaeyeon's Season's Greetings. And this time I bought it from K Place, USA. So we'll unwrap that. Why did they send me socks? They sent me socks. That's so funny to me. Okay, well, I got socks. So this year's, whatchamacallit, theme is Secret Agent Chaeyeon, or Secret Agent C. Oh, wow. Gotta get that out of there. Wow, look at this. This looks so good. Okay. I'm very excited for this concept. She does very well in any concept, but like, these concepts she does awesome. She kills. So we see Secret Agent, Lee Chaeyeon, Intelligence Agency, Lee Cherish, oh, hold on. I had to turn the flash off so that I could zoom out a little bit more. But it opens like that. Oh! This is so cute. Okay. So then in here, if I can get it open, there is a planner. That's cute. I don't normally use the planners that come with these, but like, it's cute, you know? Let's flip through the pictures. Chaeyeon's birthday, and Cherish, since that was when she announced her fandom name. Killing it. She looks so good. I like that picture a lot. Her blue hair going into silver was really cute. I'd enjoy a concept like this for a comeback, like Eunbi did with Esper. Even though that wasn't officially a comeback, but I really enjoyed that concept. The Secret Agent concept. Which obviously has been done a lot of times before, but I like it anyway. Cute. Chaeyeon's best friend name, Cherish. Funny. Alrighty. So, it also comes with this little standee. That's cute. The acrylic stand. I love that. I'll probably put that up. And then we also get the calendar. Again, I almost never use the calendars either, but cute. I wonder why some of them are, oh. It's been a long day. It's because they're Sundays. Even I've had it with myself. Gosh, look at her. This is a... Oh, she looks so good. I love this styling too. Her braid and the glasses. I like that picture, that's cute. This reminds me of Hush Rush, her vampire, especially with the purple, the vampire concept. This styling is really good too. Nice. I still have mine from last year that I didn't use. Okay, so we've been through the planner, the calendar. So now let's do the sticker sheet and photo cards. I didn't know what came in this when I bought it. I just sort of got it. So the acrylic standee was a surprise. Oh, are there Polaroids in this too? Neat. Alright, so here's the sticker sheet. Let's do the Polaroids. One, two, three, four. Okay. I wonder if there's like different Polaroids that you can pull from different like season's greetings, like Rose did. I really like that one. Nice. Okay, I think my favorite is probably this one, but I also really like this one. So there's the Polaroids. And now for the photo cards. I really hope she didn't do like separate pulls. Wait, what's that? Oh, IDs. I told you, I had no idea what came in any of this. I also ordered Chuu's season's greetings. No idea what comes in that either. I will be surprised. I bet the IDs are gonna match the glasses. So we'll put this ID with you. You with you, you with you, and you with you. Cute. Alright, now the photo cards. Such a good one to start with. So good. Ah. Oh, do we get two in each concept? Nice. Ooh, and then there's things at the back. That's so cute. I love her. She takes such good photo cards too. Like, such good selfies. Okay. So then there's this, and then a scratch card. I'm not sure what the scratch card is. I'm a little worried about scratching it. So backs of the photo cards are all the same. And then back of this like ID card. And the scratch card. Alrighty. So that is everything that we get in the Chaeyeon Cherish Season's Greetings. And if you order from K-Place, I guess they give you socks. Nifty. So thank you for watching this part of the haul video, and I will see you in the next clip. Bye! Hi friends! So next clip, we have an exciting album, and something else kind of exciting. But up first, I bought this from a seller off of Mercari. because it was a pretty good price. And it is a Chuu signed album. And it is the cover that I prefer. I like the Nirvana baby cover. So we have Chuu signed, and it was a pretty good price because the end of the signature got smudged. And so, yeah, but now I have a Chuu signed Howl album, which is very exciting. And it also is not the only time that you will see Chuu Howl on my thing again. So, and the seller included some freebies. This is a cute little one. I love Chuu. This is cute. Aw. It's very thick as well. I think it's... Anyway, some stickers and that. And so there are no photo cards in this one, but it does come with everything else, and there's no CD. But it does have all of this. So yay, now I have a signed album to go with my favorite release of 2023. Yay. Alrighty. So that will get put up on the shelves. Now I will show you what I got today. And I have a story behind it. So there is a pop-up store that was happening close to where I live. And so I went with my friend. And while we were like walking around, someone knocked some stuff over, right? Obviously you can see what I got. Anyway, someone knocked some stuff over. And so I obviously like started picking it up, and the guy running the store was like, "Oh, thank you." And I'm like, "Yeah, no problem." Well, when I went to go pay, I had, which two did I have? I had this Chaewon card and this Chaewon card from Beauty Cut. And he was like, "Oh, you like her?" I'm like, "Yeah, I like Chaewon. She's cool." And he's like, "Go get another one for free." And I'm like, "What?" And he's like, "Go get another one for free." So I did. So I also got this Chaewon. So we have some Chaewon things to put away now, which is exciting. But then he was like, here's my phone number and here's my name. If you want a job here, let me know. You can have a job here. And I was like, "Oh, thanks." So free photo card. So that was cool. And then I also got this Jihyo D-Icon photo card. So I think I'm only missing like one of those D-Icon photo cards now. But the big thing is, of course, IVE's The Prom Queens. I got the DVDs for their first fan concert or whatever in Seoul. There was also the Kino there, but I knew that I wouldn't really use the Kino, and I will watch these DVDs. Anything with like CDs and DVDs, like, I'll watch it. I'll listen to it. I love my physical media. So, yes, let's unbox the Prom Queens. So it opens like this, which is cute. And then photo book, I believe. Okay, we'll get to that stuff later. So here's the photo book. On the stage, practice, sketch, rehearsal, and backstage. They look so good. That was after, like, I think this was before I Am happened. Because I'm pretty sure that they unveiled Blue Blood and Not Your Girl at this concert. Hopefully one day I'll be able to get the DVD for Show What I Have as well. Wonyoung, Yujin. Not gonna lie, I like my La Rouge one better, but yeah, no, that's okay. Personal preference. Are there comments? There's like no comments in this? I know it's a photo book, but like the La Rouge one had like a bunch of text too. This is only my second like DVD type thing, so I'm gonna compare, I guess. But yeah, so there's the photo book. Then the postcard set is in there. Did I already break it? How did I do that? Then poster. They're cute. And I bet that the CDs are in here. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And now for our inclusions. We have the postcard set. Yujin. Gal. Ray. Wonyoung. Liz. And Iso. And now the photo cards. Oh my gosh, that Yujin card is so cute. I didn't really pay attention to the photo cards, I guess. Okay, so let's go Iso. Oh. Liz. Oh. Wonyoung, look at this card. She's so pretty. Ray. Gal. And Yujin. I'm so tempted to keep like an OT6 set for this just because, you know, I bought it with the OT6 set, but like, wow. That's such a cute set. I really like this. All right. So that is what we have today. The Prom Queens, the signed album, all of that. And thank you for watching this clip. I will see you in the next one. I have the album and the pre-order benefit in here. And this is my first wind version album as well, so that's cool. Oh, we do. Good. Okay. Move that off to the side. Alrighty. I'm very excited to see the photo book and all of the stuff in this as well. Here's our little monster for this one. And I also got a like Chuu album card set from the wind version off of Neokyo, simply because it was super cheap. And so we are going to hope that I don't pull those 2 album cards. I think I already have 1 album card as well. So here's from the Underwater music video. Oh, she's so pretty. I don't normally keep more than 1 version of albums. I do that for IVE One, and that's basically it. But this was my favorite release of 2023, and I very much love it, so I will be keeping both. Plus, the other one is signed, so like, woo! I like this styling. I like that styling too. I didn't realize she was in a skirt. Oh no, it's pants. She's so pretty. I love Chuu. Alrighty. So, here's our poster. So I now own both posters. Aww. She's so cute. And then the synopsis note with the storyboarding. I wonder if these are different pictures. I should have a synopsis note around here somewhere. Oh, yep. No, I think they're the same. Yeah, they're the same. Okay. Alrighty. And then the CD plate. Hi phone. We'll do our POB first. So we got this cute one with the penguin, and her LOONA animal is a penguin. So, yee. And then our sticker. All right, let's hope. Let's hope. Oh, I did get this one, but I love this photo card so much. She's so cute. And I don't have this one. Yay. Okay. Yay. So I'm pretty sure I'm only missing one photo card from the main album versions, and it's the one in this outfit. So I just need the photo card in that outfit. And then after that, I'm missing one EverMusic photo card and one EverMusic QR, and then I'll be done. Yay! Alright, so there is that. And now we will move on to the next one. Hi friends! So in front of me, I have Pocamarket, and they had a free shipping thing going on. So I got a few cards. I did want to take advantage of the free shipping, so it isn't like a bunch, but you know, it's enough. So up first we have this Yuri. I think it's a jewel case. I think it's a jewel case. And then Yena from Smiley. Yena from Love War, that's what it's called. So Yuri, Yena. I have a Yuri Glassy pre-order benefit, which is double sleeved. Oh, I think it came, this is like the original sleeve from it. I have two Yuri Season's Greetings cards from last year, I think. I got a lot of Yuri cards. We should move this down a little bit. And this Love All Yuri. Maybe that's the jewel case. This is a free photo card that they gave me. Attica 17, so it will be up for trade or sale later. I have this Yua Bon Voyage. This Yua from Golden Hourglass. This Yua from Golden Hourglass. I have this Yua light stick. I'm gonna move Yua down here. I love Yua. And then this Selfish Yua. This Real Love Yua. This Baddie Yujin, which we will put right here. I got a Sakura pop from M2U, I believe, because it was cheap. And the one that I am most excited about is this Chuu Ever Music card. I love this one so much. So, there's what I got from Pocamarket, and they recently put IVE on Pocamarket, and it was all downhill for me. I have a lot of IVE cards already ready. I'm just sort of waiting for another, like, shipping promotion, and hopefully I'll have built up more cards by then. So, yeah, here's our small little Pocamarket haul. Hi friends! So in front of me I have Chaeyeon's The Move Street merch drop, and it has been quite a while, so I'm not really even sure what's in this anymore, to be honest. My Go manager for almost all of the Chaeyeon stuff that I do is the audacity. Anyway, is my Mini Deco. They are a very good group order manager. I also use Promise 9s, but for the merch drop, I just saw mine Mini Deco. So let's start with this package, if I can get it open. Haha. Oh, I know what this is. This is my polka album. So I also joined a polka album with some POBs. So let's see my pulls in my polka. This is the spin-up version. And we got the stickers. Actually, I don't care if you use this, I'm not going to. Here's our QR code. I love her heart hat, it's cute. Oh, look at her. She's so cute. Awesome. So there is for the spin-up version. Try to move it off to the side. And now the pops that I have in here. Actually, is it more than just my pops? Maybe. I don't really know. Maybe we should do this first. Well, I know the top two at least are going to be pops. If I can get these open. It's been such a long time. And by such a long time, I mean September to January. So September, October, November, December. Like 4 or 5 months since she came back. So I have 2 Make Star Pops. Look at how cute these are with the bunny hats. Oh my gosh, I love them. I love them so much. I'm very excited to have those and put them away. So now maybe we'll do this first. Once again, if I can get it open. It is packaged very well. So up first is the keychain, the Move Street, key ring, let's dance. And then we have the badge set. Cute. I love the cherries. Like, she does cherries a lot. The Polaroid set is here, so let's move into this next, which is the photo book. Okay, Nice. It's nice to have a photo book actually for this since everything was Poca versions. So it is really nice to have one. I wish they would have done a CD. I love my CDs so much. I really like that outfit. This is one of my favorite outfits. I think she looks really good right here. Yeah, so there's our photo book. Alrighty. So let's look at the photo cards that came with these. I don't know which is which, if we're being honest. Let's start with this one. I love this one. This is so pretty. Ooh, there's more. Then cute to match. Oh. And she looks so good. I think that one's my favorite. So there's our merch drop photo cards. And now we'll do the Polaroid set. Oh boy, I'm gonna have a lot to put away between the season's greetings and the Polaroids. Oh boy. Alright, hold on. Let's see what we can do about this. Here's the back. So 3 in that outfit. Then 1, 2. 2 in that outfit. 1, 2, 3 in that outfit. 1, 2 in this outfit. Yay, we get some in this outfit. 1, 2. Then 1, 2 in this outfit. Ooh, yay. 1 in that outfit. Oh, we have 2 more, but these are selfies. 1, 2, 3 selfies in this. 1, 2, 3. Bucket hat. We have 1. Ah, goodbye. She wishes to escape. 2. 3. Oh, I love this one. 4. And this one. And these. Oh boy. Lots of Polaroid. She's eventually gonna have to just go back into her own binder because of all the Polaroids, but alrighty. So that is Chaeyeon's Let's Dance merch drop, along with a couple of pops from her Poca set. Thank you for watching this clip, and I will see you in the next one.